Joe and I love carrots, and I have a couple here. Now, both of them have been boiled for 2 hours. They look the same, but this one was first dunked in a bath of calcium hydroxide. And Joe is going to try each. Joe, why don't you start with that one? So that carrot is silky tender, completely cooked all the way through. 2 hours has rendered it really soft, maybe even a little bit mushy. Great, why don't you try this one? Now this carrot, while really nice inside, super tender and cooked through, is pretty leathery and unpleasant to eat because the outside is so tough. How is it possible for a carrot to be essentially raw on the outside and cooked within? The calcium dunk allowed the pectin at the surface of the carrot to cross-link, making it very resistant to softening. Scientists call this persistent firmness. We take advantage of this cross-linking when making pickles by adding calcium to the pickling liquid. But there's another way to make some fruits and vegetables remain firm. Heating them to a moderate temperature and holding them there for 20 to 30 minutes so that enzymes naturally present in the fruit or vegetables can alter cell wall pectin and increase that cross-linking. This is especially helpful when baking with apples. Too often, apples turn to applesauce when baked into pies and tarts. To prevent that, simply microwave apple slices on high power until their edges turn translucent, about 10 minutes, and then let them cool for 30 minutes. Incorporated into a pie, tart, or cake, the apples will retain their shape and a hint of fresh crispness. At Cooks Illustrated, we're food nerds. That's why every recipe we develop involves research, cooking science, and rigorous testing by our team of expert test cooks, before being tested by our dedicated community of 40,000 home cooks. Only the highest rated recipes earn a place in our award-winning magazine. Every issue features our latest recipes and discoveries, cooking tips, and equipment and ingredient reviews. Our step-by-step photos and hand-drawn illustrations show you exactly how to succeed. What you won't see, even a single page of advertising. We've worked for home cooks like you for over 30 years. So, are you ready to become the best cook you know? Subscribe to Cooks Illustrated magazine at cooksillustrated.com today.
We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, head over to americastestkitchen.com and get a free all-access trial membership.
While you're there, you can sign up for our free email newsletters and download our app.
With unlimited access to over 14,000 of our test kitchen recipes and 8,000 product reviews, you'll have everything you need to cook and learn.
So I ask, what are you waiting for?
Let's make something great together.